Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to delete apps from your iPhone 14. Perhaps you have a lot of apps and perhaps you just have a little bit of chaos here, so you want to delete an app. If you want to delete an app, there are two different ways what you can do. The first one is to really delete this app. So let's delete Clubhouse, alright? So I just go with my finger and I press it a long time and you can see here remove app. So when I click on remove app, you have these different methods. The first one is the delete app or remove from home screen. So we do the first thing, delete app, and then are you really sure? We say delete and then it's deleted, all right? So it's completely gone from your iPhone 14, so you have to download it again on the App Store. The second thing is just to remove this app, remove app, but not to delete it, but remove it from the home screen. And if I click on that, it also looks like it's deleted, but it's still here on my device. And if you swipe a little bit more, then you can see that the app is still here, all right? So it's still on my device, but it's like hidden, all right? So it's only in my app library. If I want to have it back, I again click longer and then I say add to home screen, and then here is it again. So the first one is to really delete it, and the second thing is not to delete it but just to hide it. So I will delete this one again, remove, delete, and then delete, and then I'm finished. All right, this is how you delete apps on your iPhone 14. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye.